gonna try it without the drone first. Okay. Careful. Get up. Well, it didn't work out, so we're just gonna try to get some stuff with the car and do some tricks, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna try to put this thing like and try to put the car pass through the like this arrow. Yeah, we're gonna do a race.
Is he gonna talk to us? Yeah.
Yes! That's awesome!
Fail. But I hope we got cool shots. Hope we got like cool shots from the car, so it's not like boring. No battery. There's no battery on the car, so we're just gonna fly the drone. Okay guys, so what we went down there for was fly the drone and the car at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna represent what we wanted to do. Okay. Here's the ramp, okay? Can you see it? Gonna make it. Here's the ramp. And then we wanted to get we wanted to get the car here, you know, whatever, it's a big, okay, and then just like fly the drone here. This is representing the drone. Get this thing here on, you know, and then we would get the car, go up to here with the drone going at the same time, and when it gets here the drone would just like go with it, so it would fly the car. But we tried first flying the drone like just a small height to see if we would be able to carry the car, so we wouldn't just take off, and if it doesn't like that, it wouldn't if it just won't go up, it would just go down and it would crash the drone. So we tried and we failed. It couldn't, it wouldn't go up, okay? It would literally pull down. The car would literally pull the drone down. Okay, so yeah, we couldn't do it, so we just got some cool shots of the car with the drone and maybe like a race. We couldn't really record a lot there because security came and he said like, yeah, maybe his property is from other person, so you can't really do it. So we went on the beach. His car, his battery ran out of battery. His car ran out of battery, so we couldn't go on the beach. And then we just got some cool shots from the drone on the beach. that it's Mahawk Beach. I don't really like it, but anyways. So yeah, I just hope you enjoyed it. Just make sure to give it a big thumbs up, to share with your friends, follow us on our social medias, and that's it. That was today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I love you all so much. Kiss on your teeth. Bye bye. Kiss on your teeth. Very nice. Very bad.